All right, here's where we're at. As you can see, the front end's welded in, the motor mounts are welded in and bolted to the 5.3. The 4L60. The transmission is bolted to the transmission, but not the actual frame. As there's some adjustment right here. There's probably about, I don't know, I'm gonna say about an inch forward and an inch back. Because I don't have a cab, all I did was take the measurements off of that truck, transfer them over here, but I'm pretty solid that everything should fit. The only thing that's different, well, that's a huge difference here, is this link setup. All the mounts are welded in. Everything's pretty much welded in. It's centered and it stays centered, and I've cycled it and there's no binding. Some of these freaking finger keeps getting in the way, huh? There's a section right here. I just couldn't get the gun in there. I tried. It's good. I got it right here, down there. I can get it down there. Got a little bit right there. I guess I could put a top plate on all four. If I think about it. I keep looking at this and I want to box that in right there. Yeah. But she's done. I need the bags so I can mount the bags to the lower mounts, which are stationary, and then that's pretty much where it should be sitting from like ride height. I know that step notch is overkill, but because the body hangs, I can't remember how many inches lower than the frame, to where the rear end doesn't need to travel all the way up in there. I think it's about right there where the steps would end up, just above the cement or the ground. But I gotta do some measurements, but I'm pretty certain. There she is. All right, guys, take it easy.